Hi, this is Andrea with Yarn Pack a Moment, and today I'm going to go over the herringbone half double crochet stitch. So I've already chained 13, and now I'm going to yarn over, and in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, and right away I'm going to draw through that first loop on the hook, yarn over, and draw through 2 loops. That is how you do the herringbone. So again, it's yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through that first loop straight away, yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And you're just going to work that all the way across until you get to the end. Okay, so I've come to the end of the row, and I'm going to finish up my final herringbone half double crochet stitch. I'm going to turn my work, and now I'm going to chain 2. I had a little bit of a momentary lapse here where I was deciding if one was going to be tall enough for my tension that day. It was awfully loud in my studio, so I wasn't able to record my voice at the time of this tutorial. And again, I've chained 2, and that will count as a stitch, just to make it a little less bunchy at the end. So you can always not count that as a stitch and work directly into that first stitch and keep that herringbone pattern closer to the edge. But for this, I just chained 2, and then again, you're just going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the first loop right away, yarn over, and pull through 2. And I'm going to work up a small sample, and I'll meet you up at that time to show you what the final sample looks like. Okay, so I'm just finishing up with my last stitch or 2 here, and this is what a small sample of herringbone double crochet looks like. As you can see, the stitch pattern creates a herringbone if you were to rotate it vertically, and you can see the stripes going back and forth for each row. And that's it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you found it really useful, and thank you for tuning in. Please join me for more.